Hi, my name is Georgina Feathers, and I'm located at the Brooks Road, Memphis, Tennessee, USA location. I've been with Smith and Nephew for 2.5 years. My first role at Smith and Nephew was a Packaging Lab Intern, and I transitioned into a packaging project engineer. I joined Smith and Nephew because I saw the impact it had on people. My mom has rheumatoid arthritis and got a bilateral total knee replacement in both knees. Now she is able to walk faster and walk on her own without any help. I stayed with Smith and Nephew because I saw the strong focus they had on teamwork and everyone is willing to help each other. Smith and Nephew promotes my career growth in that I am part of the Smith and Nephew Young Professionals group. They have given me the opportunity to get my project management professional certification and take care of the cost. You should do an internship at Smith and Nephew because they are willing to teach you and share their knowledge. They promote growth and you know you're helping others, which gives you a sense of purpose. Come join us at Smith and Nephew.